Hi everyone, Stephen Lee here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about unemployment benefits and answering the following 3 questions. Number 1 is, are they taxable? Number 2 is, how do you pay the relevant taxes? And number 3 is, great tax tips for the 2020 tax filing season. Okay, so as we know, this past year in 2020, the pandemic laid off up to almost 15% of adults in the United States. And during this time, many of you probably applied for and received unemployment benefits. So let's get right into that first question here. Okay, are unemployment benefits taxable? The answer is yes. They are subject to income taxes, okay, and they're going to be added to your other income for the 2020 year. The good news is that unemployment benefits are not going to be subject to Social Security tax or Medicare taxes, just like normal wages are. The second question is, how do you pay the taxes, right? This is a very common question. There are 2 options here, actually. The first option is there's an automatic withdrawal or automatic withholding that you can elect, and it's going to be 10%, okay, 10% withholding at the federal level. However, one trap that a lot of my clients are finding out is that 10% is actually not enough in some cases. And what I mean is, let's say your marginal tax rate is 25%. We're just using 25% as an example here. Let's say it's 25%, okay? But every unemployment check that you receive is only withholding 10%, right? There's this 15% gap here that was under withheld for federal income tax purposes. So when you're filing your 2020 tax return, and you realize that you're owed taxes at the end of the year, even though you selected automatic withholding, it might be because of that shortfall we're talking about, right? They've only withheld 10%, but you actually owe 25% on every dollar that you receive in unemployment benefits, so that gap there. So you might experience that when you're filing your 2020 tax return. The second way you can do this is you can also submit quarterly estimated tax payments. Okay, I go very in depth in terms of how to calculate those and when you pay them and where you pay them in my other video. I'll leave in the information section below. Remember, if this is the kind of content that you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, as I'll continue to post great tax tips, strategies, and tutorials, not only related to federal tax, but also in regards to different stimulus packages and benefits that you and your business may benefit from. Let's go to that third one. Tip for the 2020 tax season. The first tip is wait for your 1099-G. The form 1099-G is the form which your state government who issued you your unemployment benefits is going to send you. And on that 1099-G, you have to report that total amount on your 2020 tax return. Okay, so do not file your tax return without receiving that 1099-G and that accurate amount. Let's say, for example, you received a 1099-G, but you never received any unemployment benefits. You may be a victim of fraud. And I'll leave an example video link to my video where I cover about, if you're a victim of fraud and what you need to do. Okay, and once again, if you have not received your 1099-G as of watching this video, you can request it from your state's unemployment agency or their website. Most state unemployment agencies have an online portal of some kind where you can register, log in, and download your 1099-G. So if you're preparing your taxes today or this weekend, make sure you have that 1099-G if you filed and you received unemployment benefits. All right, you guys, thank you once again for watching this video. I look forward to seeing more of your questions and comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.